हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग एम्स नॉरसेट 2023 जो कि 3 जून में पेपर हुआ था उसकी स्टडी करेंगे। उसकी क्वेश्चन पेपर का सॉल्व का रिव्यू करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। द कॉजेटिव एजेंट ऑफ लाइम डिजीज इज बोरिल्ला बर्गोरेफ्री। Which among the following is sign of severe dehydration? Drowsiness, depressed fontanelle, and decreased skin turgor. Which option describe orthopnea? Ability to breathe only in upright, sitting or standing position. The obstetrical assessment of reveals. Correct answer is 31102. Patient arrived at an emergency department after a road traffic accident. Pulse rate 127 bpm. Blood pressure is 90/56 with cold extremity. The nurse understands that the patient is at risk of which type of shock? Hypovolemic shock. Next one is, when examining a patient who is paralyzed below the T4 level, the medical surgical nurse expects to find. Answer third is correct. Independent use of the upper extremity and efficient cuff. Contraindication of liver biopsy is increased activated partial thromboplastic clotting time. तो इसका कांट्रा इंडिकेशन होता है लीवर बायोप्सी के लिए। मीन्स कि इन केस ऑफ लीवर बायोप्सी अगर इंक्रीज्ड एलिवेटेड पार्शियल थ्रोम्बोप्लास्टिक क्लॉटिंग टाइम है, मीन्स कि क्लॉटिंग टाइम अगर इंक्रीज्ड होता है तो इस केस में नहीं करते हैं लीवर बायोप्सी। Normal blood pressure of the adult 120/80 is correct. The most preferred site of administration of intramuscular injection in children under 1 year, vastus lateralis. जो चिल्ड्रेन होते हैं अंडर 1 ईयर उनके वेस्टस लैटरलिस बेस्ट साइट होती है IM इंजेक्शन के लिए। नेक्स्ट वन, द बिलो शोन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज इन विच सर्जरी? Thyroidectomy. The mask shown in image is known as non-rebreather mask. When serum bilirubin level rise on 3rd and 4th day after birth of baby due to insufficient hepatic function is known as physiological jaundice. Which of the following drug is prescribed to an antenatal mother for fetal lung maturation? Betamethasone. Which of the following medication is administered sublingually for managing angina pectoris? Nitroglycerin. The reference point for measurement of JBP is the answer is external angle. If a nurse evaluates the ECG and sees a sawtoothed P wave, that will be the diagnosis then. Correct answer is atrial flutter. Non-stress test is said to be normal if there are. Correct answer is 1, 2 or more FHR acceleration during 20-minute period. Apical pulse can be assessed at. Correct answer is between 4th and 5th intercostal space in the left midclavicular line. What should be the ideal ratio of cardiac compression and respiration during CPR in a child? 15:2 is correct. Which of the following is not included in surgical safety checklist? Correct answer counseling. What is a scheme of outer lip like structure that protect the entrance to female reproductive system. Correct answer, labia. Which solution should be used to mop up the spilled blood on the floor of operation theatre? Correct answer, sodium hypochlorite. Identify post-renal cause of acute renal failure. Answer is benign prostate hyperplasia. The reason for polyuria is best defined as. Answer is diminished ability of the kidney to concentrate the urine. ECG given below is of. Correct answer is atrial fibrillation. Most common symptom of alcohol withdrawal. Answer is tremor. Weber test is done to diagnose. Correct answer is hearing loss. What is mandatory before glucose tolerance test? Correct answer is NBM 8 to 10 hour period to test. Hand rubbing time for alcohol based hand washing is. Correct answer is 15 to 30 seconds. Identify given image below. Answer is tinea corporis. Gastric lavage is a procedure done to wash or irrigate the. Answer is stomach. Which fluid causes shifting of fluid from cell to plasma? Correct answer is hypertonic solution. What are the benefits of kangaroo mother care? Correct answer is it maintains temperature, it is helpful in breastfeeding, it increases the affinity between mother and baby. All the above. Correct answer is all the above. Withdrawal test is done in diagnosis of enteric fever. Which of the following electrolyte imbalance is associated with digoxin toxicity? Correct answer is hypokalemia. The infant has undergone for BP, ventriculoperitoneal shunt surgical procedure. On assessment, how will you assess the sign of increased ICP? Correct answer is anterior fontanelle assessment. Parkland formula for fluid calculation in burn patient is 4 ml into BSA into weight. Correct answer is 4 ml ringer lactate into BSA into weight, यानी कि 4 ml रिंगर लैक्टेट देते हैं एंड BSA बर्न सरफेस एरिया इंटू वेट, यानी ये 24 आवर्स का फार्मूला होता है. Intermittent positive pressure breathing is contraindicated in. Correct answer is tracheoesophageal fistula. Endogenous depression is also known as autonomous depression. What is the ideal position during lumbar puncture? Lateral recumbent position with knee flexed. First one is correct answer. Give the correct order of 5 stages of dying person. Answer is denial, anger, bargaining, depression, acceptance. Which condition is defined as the inflammation of the peritoneum? Correct answer is peritonitis. When caring for a 3rd day old neonate who is receiving phototherapy to treat jaundice, the nurse in charge would expect to do which of the following? Correct answer is check the vital sign every 2 to 4 hours. After birth of a baby, breastfeeding should be started. Correct answer is within half an hour. The ratio of lung inflation of chest compression in cardiopulmonary resuscitation is. Correct answer is 3:1. Which of the following condition has an increased risk for developing hyperkalemia? Correct answer is end-stage renal disease. During resuscitation in an infant, ratio of chest compression and ventilation breath should be. Correct answer is 3:1. A client with C4 spinal cord injury is at greater risk for. Correct answer is respiratory compromise. The microorganism that is usually a part of the normal vaginal flora but can cause meningitis in newborn is. Correct answer is third, group B, streptococci. A pregnant woman diagnosis severe anemia will be treated by packed cell transfusion. All are the clinical feature of meningitis. Correct answer is 4, constipation. What should be the immediate action in cases of severe bleeding? Apply pressure to the wound. Adrenaline dose in anaphylactic shock is 1:1000. How many moments of hand hygiene have been laid down by WHO? Correct answer is 5. Long-standing high blood pressure may result in all of these. What is the drug of choice especially for the management of convulsion in eclampsia? Correct answer is magnesium sulfate. A client with psychotic depression is receiving haloperidol. Which of the following side effect is associated with haloperidol? Correct answer is akathisia. Which of the following immediate management to restore BP and peripheral circulation in a client with multiple fracture and fluid loss would be? Correct answer is RL infusion. Which of the following hormone is also known as emergency hormone? Adrenaline. A lung disease caused by prolonged inhalation of cotton fiber dust is bicyanosis. Height measurement of a second-year-old child is done by stadiometer. A nurse is preparing the client monitoring morning NPH insulin dose and notices a clumpy participate insulin, the insulin vial. The nurse should draw the dose from a new vial. DMPA is an injectable contraceptive given every 3 months. Nurse on PICU advised to give 400 ml fluid to be given on 8 hours. Drop factor is 60 drop per minute. Nurse will run this fluid at what flow rate? Correct answer is 50 drop per minute. The cardinal sign of cardiac arrest include all of the following except. Answer is cold clammy skin. Which of the following is mydriatic? Answer is atropine. The normal newborn hemoglobin level is 70 to 20 gram per dl. Most sensitive index of health of a community is infant mortality rate. Find the correct statement. First one, premature rupture of membrane is contraindication of induction of labor. Second, gestational diabetes is indication of induction of labor. Third one, cephalopelvic disproportion is indication of labor. Answer second is correct. Gestational diabetes is indication of induction of labor. Fluid of choice in burn patient. Correct answer is Ringer lactate. In case of burn patient, Ringer lactate should be given. Identify blade size. 15. Onset of puberty before the age of 8 years in girl is called precocious puberty. Glottaldehyde is used widely as a cold stimulant to disinfect a variety of heat-sensitive instruments. Give the example. Laparoscopic instrument. What room temperature should be maintained during period of phototherapy? 26 to 28 degree. Choose the correct statement regarding ECG. Changes in hyperkalemia. Correct answer is flat P wave, prolonged PR interval, widened QRS complex and tall T wave. To perform catheterization, the nurse should place a woman in. Correct answer is dorsal recumbent position. Stunting refers to. Correct answer is low height than what is appropriate for a certain age. What are the characteristic finding with regard to CSF after a lumbar puncture is performed on a child who has bacterial meningitis? Correct answer is CSF is cloudy, elevated neutrophil, elevated proteins, decreased glucose. What is trimester-wise weight gain in pregnancy? Correct answer is 155 kg. The common normal site of implantation of blastocyst in uterus is. Correct answer is upper uterine portion.